Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Average Bree and I usually do unboxings. I'm going to be doing the Ulta Advent Calendar instead of BoxyCharm or Ipsy this time. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. This was pretty neat. It's $20. I got it at Ulta. I thought it was pretty cool. It says 12 Days of Beauty. So each day that you, it's right there. Each day that you open up your calendar, you'll have a surprise. I'm going to go ahead and open this one. Just give me 1 second. See what's, looks like it's a little pyramid. Some advent calendars, they'll have like calendars. Here I go again, not being able to speak. Have like the numbers in different spots, but this one has it in like regular order. So I'm going to just start with the first one. Number 1. Okay, this is a Ulta Beauty Jelly Eyeshadow. That's what it looks like. It's a little tiny pot. Let me see if I can put that up there. It's a really tiny little pot. Oh, whoa. Yeah, that feels very jelly. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. It's not too pigmented. It's very shiny and shimmery. And it doesn't have a shade name. It's just like a gray. Okay, day 2. Ooh, how cute. This is a Ulta Beauty liquid highlighter. It's a little bottle. Oh, this is such a cute little dropper. See if you can see that. That's got a nice shimmer. That's good for my skin tone. I'm very fair though, so not everyone's skin tone is going to match that the same. I don't know if these have different colors for different boxes or if we all get the same thing. Probably just all get the same thing. Next, we're on day 3. This is the eyeshadow primer from Ulta Beauty. Ooh, I like a good primer. See what the texture's like, if it'll come out. It's not really wanting to come out much. So again, I'm very fair, and that's a very like light color. So that's a good for me. If you have like a darker skin tone, most likely that might not be a good color for you, because I'm super pale. Day 4. So let's see here. Ooh, what are you? Oh, this looks like a lip crayon. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. And that is in, does it have a color? It's a chubby lip crayon, but Ulta Beauty, no color. So it's like a brown maroony color. It's a pretty color. So day 5. This one's a nicer, bigger box. So let's see. Some of these boxes are big though, with little items. I think it's to trick you, because look at this. Whoa. Alright, so eyeliner in black. It's not too bad for just like a regular like wood eyeliner. Day 6, little tiny box. These are kind of cool, you know, 12 days of beauty. Give yourself something every day, little gift. This is a cute little like tinted lip oil. There's that. Let's see here. It's just got a little glossiness to it. This is cute. Day 7. Let's see here. Ooh. Metallic cream eyeshadow. Of course, these are all Ulta Beauty, so I don't have to say where it's from. Ooh, that feels kind of funky. It's like a goldy brown. All my swatches. Day 8. Okay. Alright, we have a Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I like liquid lipsticks. And this looks like a nice neutral tone. I'll let you see that. Cute little lipstick. These are great for traveling. That one right here. That's a nice color. I like that color for me. That'd be a really good color for me. I'm good with neutrals. Let's see here. Day 9. Looks like another, oh, it's a lip gloss, shiny sheer lip gloss. So this one, oh, it's got a different doe foot too. The other ones had like a curvier doe foot. So if you look at like this matte liquid lip, let's see if I can, there we go. This doe foot, it's got like a nice like thicker doe foot. This one's more of a skinny. So again, so you can see the differences. Oh, almost lost the box. It's got like a little shimmer. So day 10. Here. So the box contrast again, really big box, little item. Kind of weird. Okay, this is a matte bronzer. Ooh, bronzer. This looks like it's gonna be too dark for me because I'm pale. Very brown. And day 11, again, little tiny item, really big box. Chrome eyeshadow. This is a nice like copper color. That's really pretty. Try and find a place on my hand. That's a pretty color. Okay, day 12. Hopefully this is like really good item. So far, like the items are pretty decent for 20 bucks. 12 items, can't go wrong. Well, still doing the big box to little item ratio. Okay, it's a blush duo. Ooh. So there's like a peachy color. It's like orangey on my skin though. kind of swatched funny. And then there's like a shimmer shade, which I don't know that I would wear this for a blush because it's like really chunky. And that was all the items I got. Pretty decent. I mean, $20, 12 items. They're like little samples. It's kind of cute. Good for like a gift. I go through my little rating system. So I give a star if I like it, a half a star if it's something that I kind of like or I'm going to try, and then no stars if I don't like it. So I'm going to start with this jelly eyeshadow. I didn't really care for it. It felt dry, kind of old. So I'm going to say no on this one. This cute little highlighter though, this little thing here, it's adorable. The dropper's cute, like kind of reminds me of like the bigger highlighters that you get like through Color FX. Cute little highlighter there. This one out a star. The eyeshadow primer was really hard to get out of the tube, but I really did. I do want to try this, so I'm going to give that a star. The metallic cream eyeshadow, that one, it's dry and kind of funky on my hand, so you can kind of see it right here. It's not, I don't know how wearable that one is for me, so I'm going to give half a star. So right now I'm at 2.5 stars out of 4 items. The lip crayon, not too bad, half a star. I'll probably end up giving this to my daughter because it's really dark for my skin tone, but she likes to wear things like that. So 3 stars. Eyeliner, can never have too much eyeliner. I like that. I'll get a star for that one. This tinted lip oil, I love stuff for my lips, so I'll give a star for this one. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. And then I have this velvet matte lipstick. Definitely going to give a star for that one, 6 stars. And this shiny sheer lip gloss, I'll give a star for this as well. I do like lip gloss, so that one's good. This chrome eyeshadow I think would be great for the holidays, and it looked really good on my skin, so I'm gonna say a star for this one. The matte bronzer, I'm gonna say no because it's too dark. With these boxes, you never really know what you're gonna get because they don't go by skin tone, they just go by 12 days of beauty. So on this one, that's a no for me. And then this blush duo, I don't know, it's just like flaking off of my hand. If you look at it, it's just not something I think I would want. So that's a no for me as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of 12. Not bad. 8 stars out of 12. So it's a great little box for a gift. I thought it was great. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more boxes like this, like advent calendars from different places like Sephora, maybe, you know, Target, Walmart, and I'll do them. So thanks for watching my channel, and see you next time. Bye!